Start.
Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. All of you are welcome to my English class. Today I am going to discuss about scene comprehension for first semester diploma engineering. Unit 1, lesson 1. My topic name is Nelson Mandela, from apartheid fighter to president. All of us have heard the name of Nelson Mandela. This passage is about Nelson Mandela, life and works of Nelson Mandela. Before starting my discussion, I want to say something about reading. Reading is a more important thing in the life of a student, every student. Without reading, reading is the first step to acquire knowledge. In every aspect, if we want to learn any knowledge, learn only a small knowledge, we must have learned. Without reading, we cannot acquire any knowledge, a simple knowledge. I want to quote a quotation of Francis Bacon, a famous essayist in English literature. Francis Bacon, in his essay of studies, says that reading maketh a full man, conference a ready man, but writing an exact man. If we want to be a complete man, we must have learned, we must have read more and more. If anyone want to be ready, he should join more and more in conference. Without conference, one cannot be ready. But writing makes a man exact in everywhere, in every areas of a man. So there is no alternative of reading. Dear guys, first of all, you will read the passage Nelson Mandela from apartheid president, from apartheid fighter to president. There is a after reading this passage, we will exercise the comprehensive questions on this topic. Now I am going to discuss about the comprehensive questions of this topic, on this topic. The first comprehensive question that we will meet in the examination: choose the right word from the alternatives. From this scene comprehension, there will be 4 or 5 items of a comprehensive question. The first comprehensive question is choose the right word from the alternative. I have given an example for you. What does apartheid refer to? In the title. Title means in the passage. Now you have to answer any one of the 4 alternatives. There are 4 alternatives. There are 4 words. To answer this question, we have to find out the right word of this question. To answer this question, we have to apply, or we may apply some techniques. so that we can find easily the right alternative word. Without considering any technique, without considering or without thinking, if we answer this alternative question, it will not be correct every time. So the techniques to apply, what techniques we will apply to answer this alternative question. Hereby I have written 5 techniques. If anyone consider these techniques, think about these techniques before answering this comprehensive question, the answer will be correct. The first technique, first of all, we have to learn the meaning. We have to find out the meaning of the word. What means? There are various words. Apartheid is a word. The alternative answers we have to know, we have to find out all the meaning of these words. Without knowing the meaning, our answer will be incorrect. Though we assume apparently it may be true. First of all, we have to learn, we have to find out the meaning of the word. We have also learned antonym and synonym of the given words, especially the main words or head word in the question. What meaning does bear the word apartheid? What is the antonym of apartheid? What is the synonym of apartheid? We have to learn it. Without knowing antonym and synonym, the answer may be false, may be incorrect. Form of the word. It is also another technique. We know that the words used in English are in various forms, such as verbs, adjectives, noun, adverb, preposition, conjunction, etc. What is the form of the word? We have also have to know it. What is the form? Grammatical relation. Grammar, tense is the soul of English language. If we does not consider grammatical relation, our answer may be incorrect. In case of answering this type of question, we have to consider grammatical relation also. Because in every sentence of English language, there has a close relation, of grammar and article, tense, voice, etc. So we have to consider also grammatical relation of the question and the answer also. Understanding the relation of the given word with the topic. Finally, we have to think about the relation of the word with the topic. What is the relation of the word with the topic? Apartheid may bear more meaning, more than one meaning. It will depend on the topic. In various topics, it may bear various meanings. So, we have to find out the relation, what What relation does bears? What relation does bear the word considering the passage or comprehension? I have given an example. What does apartheid refer to in the title? There are four alternatives. Number one, apartheid refer to apart. Apartheid refer to discriminate. Apartheid refer to discrimination. Apartheid refer to race discrimination. What is the correct alternative? So, after considering the techniques, we can find that apartheid refer to race discrimination. Apartheid refer to race discrimination. Because our topic, Nelson Mandela from apartheid fighter to president, is wholeheartedly about race discrimination. Is an A to Z of race discrimination. From the beginning to the end of the passage, the subject matter of the passage is race discrimination. So the correct answer of the alternative question is the race discrimination. There is a close relation of the word apartheid to race discrimination according to the passage. Close relation of the word apartheid